Your boy iDarkClawz here. Make sure when you guys go in the Fortnite item shop, make sure you guys are using code iDarkClawz. You already know iDarkClawz in the Fortnite item shop when purchasing any cosmetic item, baby. But anyways, let's get into the video. By the way, I want to say thank you for 26,000 subscribers before we get into the video, because honestly, I never thought I'd be this far, and it's just because you guys. So I appreciate that a lot. Make sure you guys spam comment so we can get more people into this motivational community we are starting up. And you already know, keep grinding, let's get it, determination, and let's go.
Ran it up last week, I was in my backyard. Ran her up, track me, skirting in a Jaguar. I feel like an athlete, how I run the shit. Yeah, how I run your bitch. Eat her up, stand no itch. I've been having a rough time lately, it's okay. The way she treated me in the past was straight disgusting. And lately I've been
BYALIF on the beat.
Ran it up last week, I was in my backyard. Ran her up, track me, skirting in a Jaguar. I feel like an athlete, how I run the shit. Yeah, how I run your bitch. Eat her up, stand no itch. I've been having a rough time lately, it's okay. The way she treated me in the past was straight disgusting. And lately I've been meeting new people, but I ain't trusting. Whipping in a Mustang, 40 in my crew, bang, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. She be like the sun, feel the rays, okay. She been on my mind like every day. I got deja vu, whip it up with your crew. Every day be the same thing. Throw it out, make the money back, better rain. Old school, I've been bumping that Wu-Tang. Making hella racks, I feel like Bruce Wayne. Now in college, I've been trying out new things. When she ride for me, I know that she died for me too. In my 100 greens, oh shit, I'm in blue. Chilling in the dorm, cooking up in the stew. Then she asked for more, bitch, what's wrong with you? She be like the sun, feel the rays, okay. She been on my mind like every day. I got deja vu.
Kill that man. Oh my god.
Be the same thing. Fuck a Maserati, I don't want no range. Fucking SUV, I can flex in that thing. She got an STD, so back away. Give me the right of way. I ain't got no more to say. Ran it up last week, I was in my backyard. Ran her up, track me, skirting in a Jaguar. I feel like an athlete, how I run the shit. Yeah, how I run your bitch. Eat her up, stand no itch. I've been having a rough time lately, it's okay. The way she treated me in the past was straight disgusting. And lately I've been meeting new people, but I ain't trusting. Whipping in a Mustang, 40 in my crew, bang, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Whipping in a Maserati, I can't fuck with all these thotties. I ain't tryna chase no hotties. Skirting in a Kawasaki, going 6 speed. Drugs all up in my pocket, that's what I need. Nigga want the smoke, I'll make his ass bleed. Yo bitch, I choke, I got her on her knees. When I was younger, mama told me to succeed. Fuck these ops, yeah, my homies, all I need.
But you're nervous,
She be
Jarvis.
like the sun, feel the rays, okay.
She nervous, Jarvis.
Like every day.
Nigga think it's
I got
small.
deja vu, whip it up with your crew. Every day be the same thing.